afternoon. Chance of rain 30%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Central Lancaster County in central South Carolina, northwestern
Chesterfield County in central South Carolina until 4:15 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Andrew Jackson State Park, or near Lancaster, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Beaufort around 3:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Camp Creek Fire Station, Taxahaw, Unity Fire Station, Arrowwood Estates, Tradesville, and High Point Fire Station. Take cover now. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to an interior room or closet on the lowest floor of a sturdy building immediately. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a tornado warning for